I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download offline maps using your iPhone on Apple Maps.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one is to open your Maps app. So we'll type in Maps here, and we'll open the Maps app. Now tap your profile picture on the bottom right. Now in this selection, you should see Offline Maps and Download. Tap on that, and then in the top right, you'll see New. Tap New, and you can download by city. So let's say, for instance, I'm currently in Santa Ana, so I want to download Santa Ana, and we'll click download, and it's going to download within that range that you set it to. Now I'm going to Tokyo soon, so let's say I want to download Tokyo. We'll tap that, and then it will show you a new selection, and you can modify this selection of how far you want it to be. Let's say I want this particular selection right here. It's 3 gigabytes. I'm not going to download that right now because that's huge, but if I did want to, I would just click the download button, and then it would save it to my phone, and then I would have the maps offline and not need any sort of cell service to get around.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.